All right, guys, the second video is going to show you real quickly how to use your mirrored and backwards name that you prepared earlier, to use this to braille it on your slate and stylus, which I've got my slate and my stylus right here, okay? You cut some braille paper earlier, and you're going to put that braille paper in your slate. Your slate, you're going to notice when you open it, has got some little bumps and holes. There's the hole. On both ends of the slate, and you want to line your paper up where it's on top of those holes like this, the little bumps, and then you're going to close the top, and you're going to feel it like you're going to want to like squeeze it on both ends till you feel it snap. And when it snaps, it's holding that paper in place, and that way you are ready to start brailing, okay? Then you're going to take your sheet that has your name mirrored and backwards, and you are going to start doing your name mirrored and backwards on your slate and stylus, okay? So on your slate, you know how normally we write from left to right, but when we're using slate and stylus, because when we're done, we flip the paper over, we have to do it from right to left. We've already written it right to left, so that's going to make it easier for us, okay? So I'm going to take my first brailled letter, which is going to be the capital symbol, and I'm checking on here. It's going to be in the bottom. It's going to be in the third cell position right there. So I'm going to start on the right hand side. I'm going to find that same spot, which is the number 3rd position. If you look closely, you can see there's 6 different positions there. I want to get in the 3rd position. So here we go. There's 1, 2, 3 at the bottom. I'm going to put my stylus in that 3rd position, and I'm going to press, okay? When I press, it's going to make an indentation in there. And when we're done and we open our slate back up, we'll be able to flip our paper over and feel all of the indentions that we've made. It makes, like, I guess, an indentation on one side and a hill on the other. We'll be able to feel all those hills, okay? So my capital's done. Now I'm ready to do the letter R. So for the letter R, I've got to do 3 dots in a row and a single dot, and I need to pay attention, mirrored, which way I need to do that. So I'm going to do it identical to what I have on my mirrored sheet of paper. So here we go. Got 3 dots on the right hand side and 1 on the left. And I'm going to hold it close to the camera, hoping that you can kind of see. You can a little bit. They're 3 dots in a row and 1 on the right hand side that make up my letter R. And I'm going to continue to do this R, A, C, H, E, L. When I want to do my last name Brockman, it's important, especially for beginning brailing, people who are learning to read Braille. It's really important to skip Braille lines for them. So when I'm doing my last name, I'm not going to put it directly under my first name up here. I'm going to skip this row. So we're going to put Rachel. I'm going to skip this row, and then I'm going to put Brockman down here on this 3rd row. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put it on the 3rd row down here. And that's just to make it easier for the person that's learning how to read Braille. It doesn't feel as jumbled together. It's spread out. It's a little easier for them to read the lines. Hope this was helpful to you. Let me know if you need any more help.